4th July 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. Odisha Social Security and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities SSEPD Department Ashok Chandra Panda shared a good news. Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has approved a proposal to give stipends to transgenders in Odisha under Madhubabu Pension Yojana. Now they can apply for this pension directly on the website or via forms. Based on their age, they could receive 500 to 900 rupees per month. This will benefit around 7,000 transgenders across the state. Next, Facebook has announced that Facebook and Instagram users in US will be reminded to wear face coverings like masks when they visit the platforms. Next, in order to educate children from poor families amid COVID-19 pandemic, Pune Jilla Parishad has urged residents to donate used smartphones, laptops, tablets, and smart TV sets. This will enable poor students enrolled with ZP schools to join online classes. Next, in the presence of PV Sindhu, Olympic silver medalist, and Sunil Chhetri, all-time top goal scorer of Indian national football team, Fit Hai to Hit Hai India program was launched on 3rd July 2020 by Ramesh Pokhriyal, Union Minister of Human Resource Development, and Kiren Rijiju, Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports. The objective of this campaign is to inspire and motivate the school children about the importance and need to stay fit during this pandemic. Next, since its first edition back in 2016, the toolkit for the 2021 and the dates for the 6th edition of this Swachh Sarvekshan Survey was launched by Hardeep Singh Puri, Union Minister of State of Housing and Urban Affairs, on 3rd July 2020. The Swachh Sarvekshan Survey 2021 will be conducted from 4th January to 31st January 2021, which will focus on public participation and encouragement for innovators in the cities. Next, IIT Bombay Heritage Foundation collected $301,000, almost rupees 2.3 crores, from its US-based alumni to purchase laptops and provide broadband to 500 undergraduate students to attend online classes next seminar. Next, Tata Steel has finally agreed to demand of workers at its IJmuiden unit in the Netherlands and assured that no employee will lose their job under its planned reorganization. Labour Union D plus FNB Metal confirmed. Next, Lok Sabha Secretariat issues new rules, soft copies, 6 feet distance for parliamentary panel meetings in which members must maintain a distance of 6 feet from each other and the circulation of documents should be in soft copy format. Next, IIT Kanpur has developed a classroom to home teaching setup Mobile Mukherjee. The setup can record the lectures or instructions by the teachers while using their available smartphones. It will be very helpful for students in rural India. Next, Drug Discovery Hackathon has been launched by the Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan. The hackathon is a joint initiative of MHRD, AICTE, and CSIR and supported by partners such as CDAC, MyGovernment, Schrodinger, and Chemaxon. Now, let's have a look at some facts for today. Do you know July 4, 2020 is the 188th death anniversary of the famous Hindu monk Swami Vivekananda. July 4 is celebrated as Dharma Chakra Day. Today is the USA's Independence Day. Today, all the planets of the solar system, that is, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and even the planet Pluto, will line up in one row. From Earth, it will look like a chain of large bright stars located above the horizon. The three US presidents died on July 4: Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, and James Monroe. So, with this, we will conclude our today's episode.